Hello student of Senior 5. I'm a biology teacher, Wishema Epuna, and we are going to continue our unit, which is protein synthesis, and we are at the end of this unit, but let us continue with the effect of change in genetic code of the structure of protein during protein synthesis. You know that during protein synthesis we use the genetic code, even you use codons. We have seen that during protein synthesis we have two main stages, which are transcription and translation. And the transcription, as you know, it is to copy the genetic instructions from the DNA in order to make a messenger RNA. And after getting messenger RNA, you know that this messenger RNA must be translated. It must undergo a process called translation, which consists of translating codons into protein. It means now during the protein synthesis you may observe or you may notice some changes. And now when these changes occur in the genetic code, what is the effect? What is the effect of that change in the genetic code during the protein synthesis? What are the effects? It means the effect may be harmful or effect may be beneficial by an organism. Now, when the changes occur in a genetic code during the protein synthesis, this leads to what is called mutation. This will lead to what is called mutation. Then what is mutation now? Mutation are changes in genetic codons. There are the changes in genetic codons, caused by change in nucleotide bases. You know that a codon, you remember, codon equal to three consecutive nucleotides. Three consecutive nucleotides, and these three consecutive nucleotides constitute what is called a codon. And so that when the nucleotide base are affected, are changing, automatically a codon also is changing. And the mutation now, it is a change in the genetic code caused by the change which are observed in a nucleotide base, because a codon is made up of three consecutive nucleotides. And so that this mutation now, the mutation can be harmful or beneficial by organs. Mutation, it depends, can be mutation, some mutations are harmful, others are beneficial. Some mutations are harmful, others are beneficial. Depends, are beneficial for times you can observe some mutation which can make an organism to be strong, and in that case that mutation is beneficial. And some mutation can cause even the death. These are harmful. Now, let us see the type of gene mutation. Types of gene mutation. Types of gene mutation. Types of gene mutation. We have two main types of gene mutation. We have a base pair substitution, or we have a base pair insertion or deletion. There are two types of gene mutation. The first one is a base pair substitution. Pair substitution. Another is a base pair deletion or insertion. Base pair deletion or insertion. Base pair deletion or insertion. Here are two types of gene mutation. Mutation which can be caused by the substitution of base pair, or which may be caused by the base pair which is deleted, or a base pair which is inserted in a sequence of DNA. Let us see first of all the base pair substitution. A base pair substitution and its effect. A base pair substitution. A base pair substitution. To explain this one, we can consider this example. Let us consider the following change. Let us consider the following change. In DNA sequence from this sequence, we have now the DNA. This is a segment of DNA. Adenine. Its complementary is a thymine. This can be mutated into what? By base pair substitution. You can, for example, get this one. Can mutate in order to give the GAA, and here is 3, it is CT It means the DNA, the original, the normal DNA is adenine, 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 thymine, adenine, thymine, adenine, thymine. This is a segment of DNA before mutation. Before mutation, and when it undergoes mutation, this has been substituted by adenine has changed into guanine. Automatically, thymine as a base pair has changed into cytosine. It means this one has changed. This is substitution. Instead of having a adenine thymine here, it has changed by giving guanine cytosine. It is a base pair substitution. This base pair, adenine thymine, has been substituted into guanine cytosine. And now, what is the effect? We have seen that during the protein synthesis, this DNA molecule undergo transcription. During the transcription now, during the transcription, the transcription of this one will give the transcription normally gives a messenger RNA. And here what will be the result of transcription? This is transcription. Transcription process. This will be transcribed into this will be transcribed into